Howdy folks. Today on Heather's Chubby Hubby, I'm going to teach you how to cheese off your mailman in 2 easy steps. Step 1, take up rock tumbling as a hobby. Step 2, buy rocks online and have them delivered by mail. That's it. That's the lesson for the day. 33 pounds and 31 pounds. Just received this afternoon from the rock shed, and I thought it'd be kind of fun if we opened it together. Alright, let's get this one open. This is the 31 pounder, I believe. Yeah, 31 pounds. Before I do though, just so you nice folks at the rock shed know, probably wouldn't have been a bad idea to put some more of this fiber tape down along the bottom, and this one wasn't, was it? The other one of these, some of this stuff was popped loose, so not a big deal. Thankfully, I know the rocks inside and the ceramics are going to be in really tough plastic bags, so they should be fine, but doesn't take a whole lot of poking either, and these could have been rocks spread from here to South Dakota. Alright, we got some local advertisements. Always fun to see those. Got the, there's the invoice, and here was they were giving away free, oh heck, I can't think of what it is. I think it's a Botswana agate as a customer appreciation, which I thought was kind of cool. So that's a pretty little rock. Now we got the pretty stuff in some, excuse me, in some ceramics. This is green Aventurine, and I know it doesn't look like anything now, but I'll break some out and get it wet so you can see how pretty it is. I'll do that with all these in a minute, but got to get them out of the box first. This is what's called Girasol Opal, and I think basically it's quartz with a specific kind of fracturing on the inside, so it kind of has the subsurface opal flash off all the fractures. But don't quote me on that because I'm not an expert. And this one is, I don't know. There is no tag. That's a mystery rock. We also have 5 pounds and 5 pounds of the small ceramics. I see a tag down here. Please be a rock name. We have 5 pounds of Labradorite. Labradorite. Yes, I got it. Whew, good thing. Oh, looks like another customer appreciation gift. I like that. And here's one of the 5-pound bags of large ceramics I got. Alrighty, this is the 33-pound box now. Alright, this is 1000 grit aluminum oxide, which they had a tip. I ordered more of the Sodalite, and I think it was the Sodalite. It might have been the Labradorite now that I think about it, but one of the two, because they're both softer rocks. It suggested using this right after the 500 stage and prior to the polish stage, which I think on their website they said was 8,000 grit or mesh. I don't think this is actually grit. I think these are mesh numbers. I don't know if that differs a lot from grit or not, but anyway, I kind of use that term interchangeably, but we'll give this stuff a try. It's an extra step, but if it amounts to really pretty rocks, I'm willing to do it. Another bag of the Big ceramics. Alright, here we got some pretties. That's a 5-pound bag of Sodalite, which again, if I don't mess it up this time, should come out really nice. This is a 5-pound bag of South Dakota Chalcedony, as I believe the right pronunciation of that. It's C-H-A, but I believe it's the H is silent, so it's Chalcedony. Correct me if I'm wrong, please. I think I have actually heard people use the H too, but I don't know. And these, I ordered 5 pounds total. It looks like they shipped them. Yeah, I got 2 2-pound bags and a 1-pound bag of large Montana moss agate, which, like I said, I'll get some of these wet in a minute and I'll show you. This stuff is really pretty. This is the bag of fancy Jasper, which, again, I know none of these look like much other than Sodalite. You can see the blue. It all just looks like kind of ugly stuff, but you'll see. And this is a 5-pound bag of Citrine, which should come out hopefully looking really pretty. This is Citrine, which again is another translucent one, and I don't know, it just looks cool. They had some other stuff called lemon quartz, but oh boy, were they proud of that. It was a little beyond my budget, I'm afraid, but I get some one of these days. It had even more of a yellow, lemony kind of a color to it. I ought to show you that without the light on it too, just for comparison's sake. But this is green Aventurine. Just a beautiful, beautiful green color to it. And again, without that pesky light, you can see it a little better. It's not quite as wet as it was, but it's still wet enough to show the pretty color. When it's dry, you can tell it's green, but not nearly as intense as this. And this is a piece of the Sodalite, which actually looks like a little bit of light comes through on spots. I think that's a pretty stone. I like the banding. I like that white juxtaposed with that amazing blue color, just because I think it makes the blue even more amazing in a way. This is some of the Girasol Opal, and I think this is one that once it's tumbled a bit, the inner fractures will show a little better. I can kind of see them. It's not very intense, and I suppose that, you know, it's a rock. It's a naturally occurring thing, so it's going to vary from batch to batch, I imagine. But anyway, just really pretty stuff. This is the Labradorite. I haven't seen a lot of the really pretty blue stuff, but I haven't dug down into the bag very much. But you can kind of see it's a very faint blue, and again, hopefully once polished, that blue will pop a lot more. And this stuff I thought was really neat. This is I guess that doesn't have much light transmission. It's not very translucent, but this is the fancy Jasper, which I think this stuff was from India. Hopefully it shows up good. It's just kind of got a neat appearance, a pretty color, some nice variants in it. This is the other piece I picked out. This one's got a little more light, a little more translucence to it in spots. But again, just a pretty rock. Thankfully, a lot of these aren't horribly expensive, so you can feed your rock addiction. It's not a terribly expensive hobby, I guess, compared to a lot of them. I almost lost track of one, forgot to show it off. This is the South Dakota Chalcedony, which you can see has also got some nice translucency and just really unique looking stuff. I mean, with the white and the darker colors. So I'm really hopeful this stuff will come out pretty too. Alrighty folks, this is where you guys come into play on this, and this will about wrap up this video anyway. I have 8 different types of rock here in front of me, but only 3 barrels. That's 3 barrels. Count them, 1, 2, 3. And I have a hard time making up my mind. So I thought it'd be kind of fun if you guys want to take a vote on it and list your top 3 favorites in the comments down below. I will tabulate the votes up, and we'll figure out who won, and we'll go with those 3. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. It's a little bit in the rough, obviously. I thought it was a little different to show coming in like this and laying them out. I thank you for watching, and like I said, vote down in the comments below and let me know. Thank you.